Garth, you genius. Karen's gonna love this little guy for her birthday. Don't worry, Goldberg. You're in great hands. Goldberg!
I ordered the chicken.
Gotta find a container! Too cold! Too hot! Gotcha!
Gotham is already celebrating its victory over Metropolis with seconds left in the game. Wait, what's this? It's a miracle! Touchdown Metropolis!
Don't talk like that, Goldberg. You're gonna make it. Happy birthday.
Oh! Garth, you remembered my birthday? Thank you. He's the best gift ever.